have is a good vibe. I'm happy that all the people are here and we are back to life after COVID time. These are one of the few times that Bebe has performed. I'm yet to really perform, but I'm so grateful that you guys can turn up. Now, we've got sisters and brothers having concerts everywhere in Uganda. And my message to you tonight, and this message mainly goes to the media. Mugende supporting abayimbi by Uganda. Go and support everybody. Because we are tired of working so hard without support. Okay? First I have to thank you, abagenzi ba Juliana na abagenzi B2C na abagende wa muwala wange wa songs ani Azami. But let's keep on the spirit, because that's what will encourage our sisters and brothers to make it where you want it to be. Mustagade, lero tulina keke eyokusala to try. It's 5 years, and that's why it's a big special today. H2O 5 years, ladies and gentlemen. Twagala tusale ku keke eno atera musigale nga musupport. Also support the bars, because the bar owners invest a lot. We don't want to complain with Sarah, Nigeria. No. They are playing their game right. We only need to up our game. So when we upping our game, we need to up the game with you and we. The audience and the artists. We need to up the game. We cannot keep blaming Nigerians. They are doing their part. So let's do our part as Ugandans. Let's love our music and let's support our artists. I love you so much. As we wait, that's everyone. Anyway, thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. This is one of the brothers. But let's learn how to live like the successful people. Abanigeria bebagira fetuliyo notubalwanyisa kati nyinza nti okulwanyisa abasajja abali mu America nga bagisazeeko. Instead tulina kubayigirako. Mukitegedde? So support the DJs, support the MCs, support the artists. Ekintu kyaffe tukisudiye, bwe tutakisudiye teryajja kikola ki? Teryajja kisudiya. Anyway, microphone over to you. Please come. We need to cut this clip. Come on, this is fun. Come on. You know, we need to have some fun here. Seriously. One of you from Uruguay. Come over. Alright, yeah. Where are you from? Turkey. Come over. And you? Turkey? I need one person from Turkey, one person from Uruguay. Do we have somebody from a different? I needed somebody from the US. Do we have somebody from India? Anybody from India? Seriously, we need to have some fun, because Uganda is the only country in the world where you're free, easy, you feel special no matter where you come from. Bamoka America.